Okay, you guys, some videos are actually best kept very short, so I'm going to do that with this video. So solving absolute value equations. Remember equation means that we're going to be using an equal sign. And so here's how we're going to read this. We're going to read this. The absolute value of ax plus b is equal to c, where c is greater than 0. And why is that? Why is this c is greater than 0 idea necessary? Well, frankly, because no number has an absolute value less than 0, does it? There's no such thing as number can't have an absolute value that's negative. So that's what the origin of this is. Now, all I'm suggesting to you today is that this is the same as solving axb is equal to c, or axb is equal to the opposite of c, right? Why is that true? Well, what's the absolute value of negative 5? 5. What's the absolute value of 5? 5. So we have to take these two things into account, that this value in here could be negative or positive. Okay, so let's do a quick example. So here's this example that we have today. Let's solve this. So solve. I hope that you took a second to write down the rule that I just went over with you, because I think it's going to be helpful. If you haven't, stop the video now, copy the rule, and then come back and let's work this problem out together and see if it isn't exactly the way that it's described in that rule. So the absolute value of 2x minus 5 is equivalent to 9. So, okay, no big deal here. All we're saying is that there's some number, that when we do this math here, there's some number that has an absolute value of 9. Well, what two numbers have an absolute value of 9? Exactly. So we know that 2x minus 5 might equal 9, because if we could find a way to make 2x minus 5 equal 9, well, the absolute value of 9 is 9. Or the other possibility is that 2x minus 5 could be equivalent to negative 9. How do I know that? Because if I put negative 9 in here, if I take this crap out and I put negative 9 in, well, the absolute value of negative 9 is 9, right? So we're just going to solve this thing twice and be done with it. So it would look like this, just that same algebra you've been doing your whole life. And we're going to add, right, the additive inverse, the opposite of this number here, add positive 5 to both sides. And we get 2x is equal to 14. Is that good math? Divide both sides by 2, and we get x is equal to 7. Right? Let's try that. X is equal to 7. So take out the x and put in 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Absolute value of 9 is 9, isn't it? Okay? So that's one solution. So let me put our problem back the way it was. So, or the other possibility, so here's one solution right here. So x is 9, or what else could be true here? So we're going to add positive 5 to both sides again. So positive 5 here, positive 5 here. 2x is equal to negative 2. Oh, that's stupid. Sorry, you guys. 2x is equal to negative 4, right? Wow, that was really bad. Going to divide both sides by 2, and we get x is equal to negative 2. So here's our x right here, right? So we take out this x, we put in negative 2. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 minus 5 is negative 9. The absolute value of negative 9 is 9. Check. All right? So those are our two solutions. It is important, I think, to remind you guys, one, that you need to memorize this rule, and secondly, to check your solutions to see if they work, because, right, the math is what's going to tell you if it worked or not. So go back and do the arithmetic and see how it worked out for you. So there we have it, solving absolute value equations.